Why am I wearing this special t-shirt showing the Audi TT MK2? And look at my back as well. I've spent 2 weeks with this car, servicing it, detailing it, and doing all sort of things to it to bring it to the level where we are. And I thought, if you're interested, I'm going to shoot you a video so that you can view it. I'm going to show you a real-time view of this vehicle. So first of all, it is 2009, which means it's 16 years old, and so it's going to carry some age-related marks. Things like I'm going to criticize it first before I start praising it. It's got some of these marks here, store chips and all that, which is nothing really considering the age of this vehicle. One of the things that it's got that is probably stand out is this little thing here. But other than that, the car is in good nick, as it should be. The headlights, they look a bit hazy. I've polished it and it's still looking the same. Probably that's how it's designed to be. But if we continue looking, the bodywork of this vehicle is almost immaculate. I don't want to say immaculate, but it's almost immaculate. The wheels have got not too bad, standard 17 inches wheels, and I don't see anything wrong with it. I have detailed the wing, them as best as I can. The doors everywhere, I can't see anything on this car. Again, I'm going to show you. It has some stone chips right there, 1 or 2 stone chips right at that door. It's got another one here, and again, the wheels here looks good, very good. The tires look like new. And then they come around here. The back is not too bad at all. It has these that looks like the clear coat has been breached in a way, but it's nothing to worry about. It's been protected. And then it's got the back here. There is no ding or dong or anything that should concern anyone. The wheels here are also looking very good. There's literally no knocks on this vehicle, which is amazing for the age. And that's the round. Now I'm going to take you inside, but before I do that, there's some scratches here that was caused because when this car was parked for a long time, the battery wore out and the owner couldn't get into it, so they have to break this in order to get into it. So this is a new glass, and you will see it in the next video. Now let's come to the inside. The inside have got Alcantara and leather, suede Alcantara. This is so beautiful. All these have been detailed to bit. The seats have been detailed, and look at the seats, and then look at the steering area, the dash instrument cluster area. It's all looking very nice. This car, if you ask me, I would drive this to any executive meeting without any problem at all. Let's check the back seat. Back seat is looking good as well. I have detailed the whole interior of this vehicle, so everything looks as it should do. And let's open the bonnet, the boot. In order to see the boot, you can open it with this, or the other option is to use the key to open it. which is a little bit annoying. The boot has got enough space to hold 2 suitcases, and the back seat also folds down. So, and we've got the first aid kit here. It's got everything that it needs here. The battery is good, and it's got everything that it needs to get. So that's the boot. And now when you come around here to this side of the inside, everything looks very much beautiful, and you know, you can't fault it for the age. This car has been looked after very well. It has been serviced every year, and whenever there's a job that needs doing, they've done it. They've changed the cam belt, which is very important. And look at the Alcantara. It's looking very, very good and fresh, and it's smelling very fresh as well, I can tell you that. So that's it. Let's check the engine bay area, and you need to watch all the videos that I've done on this car at DetailingLaw.uk. DetailingLaw, the link will be up there. You can watch these videos, and if you like it, please subscribe and support what I'm trying to do. Look at the engine bay area. Look at the engine bay area. This engine was not looking like this. It was quite filthy, but I've been able to bring it to this level of cleanliness where you can even have your dinner in the engine without worrying. Look, everything looks nice and neat. And if you look at this area, there is no oil that will give you a concern. There's no oil spillage that will give you any kind of concern. Everything is nice and dry, and there's not a lot that I can say wrong with this vehicle. It's just been looked after, and I have rejuvenated the bodywork by giving it a 2-stage polishing and protecting it with a sealant. Now there's that option there that if you want ceramic coating, which is a better option. I mean, it's a little bit more expensive, but it's the best option because it will give you the absolute protection that this car deserves. If you own a car age like this, then you know you're better off putting a ceramic coating on it, because that will give it the protection that the car deserves. So what do you think? We're going to sell this car. If you're interested and you're seeing this video, then give us a ring, 07394 079904, and we can break a deal. But I think the first person to see this will buy straight away without any question at all, because there's no question to ask on this vehicle. It's got high mileage, which I am not worried about because it has been serviced every blessed year. So the high mileage is nothing, if you ask me. So thanks for watching, and please do subscribe and watch the other videos of all the works I've done on this vehicle. We're going to be bringing you some more interesting vehicles, some more iconic vehicles. Well, you say this is not iconic, but I tell you what, it feels like iconic to me. After being with it for 2 weeks, I've been able to do so many things to it. I've been able to have personal time with it. So it's iconic to me, if you ask me. Thanks for subscribing, thanks for watching, and I hope you win this car. Detailing Law, this is how we do it. Let's look after your car. Thank you.